In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how Nike has been able to build $1 billion business selling sports sneakers. By the end of this video, you'd have learned the one thing Nike used to build this $1 billion business and how you can also use it in your business to maybe build your own $1 billion business. So, hi, I'm Kola and I help entrepreneurs and business coaches build content empires aligned by growing on social media. If that sounds like you, subscribe, follow up, let's get this. So let's look at how Nike did it. So Nike Inc. was founded in 1964 as Blue Ribbon Sports by Bill Bauman, the track and field coach, and Phil Knight, a middle distance runner, initially operating as a distributor for Onitsuka Tiger, now known as ASICS or ASICS. The company officially became Nike in 1971, named after the Greek goddess of victory. Throughout the 1970s and 1980s, Nike gained traction with innovative designs and endorsements from athletes like Michael Jordan, propelling it to be a global leader in athletic footwear and apparel. Basically, they are really huge. Today, Nike stands as one of the most recognizable and influential brands in the world, synonymous with athletic excellence and cultural impact. So, let's just look at this screenshot of Nike's revenue, which is $51.2 billion. That's a lot of money. And to make a lot of money, we have to study how exactly were Nike able to achieve this. So, it's a very simple framework known as association. So now, what is association? From the dictionary definition, an association is a connection or relationship between two or more things, people, or concepts. So, if we're using that, so I like using formulas because they make things very easy to remember. So, association, and this English they have sometimes. So, association is concept times person equals to association, or a concept multiplied by a thing equals to association. A thing multiplied by a person equals to association. A thing multiplied by a person multiplied by a concept is also equals to association. Now, let's go back. If you remember, they mentioned like that Nike grew big by having collaborations with these athletes. So, if you look now, they had the collaboration with Michael Jordan. If you don't know who Michael Jordan is, he's one of the greatest basketballers of all time. So, Nike understood that if they can be 1/10 or half even associated with someone of his stature, someone that great, people would see his brand. People will see their brand as great also. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So this is where the formula comes in. So you see the shoe on the left side multiplied by Michael Jordan. So people see Michael Jordan as, don't get me wrong, I love Nike. But now we're breaking out the science because it all boils down to association. People see Michael Jordan and they're like, yes, this guy is great. He uses Nike, so Nike must also be great. It's that simple. A very simple buying decision is made just because people like Michael Jordan, and if Michael Jordan likes Nike, I should like Nike because he's great, that will make me great. And so that is why from this definition we can see like it's a connection of two or more things or people. So you are basically teaching people to associate your brand, whatever you do, with a certain feeling, a certain person, or a certain outcome. For example, a concept times a person. The concept of great shoes multiplied by Michael Jordan. You have the Air Jordans. I remember when I was 10, all my life, all I wanted was Jordans. I used to beg my mom, and when she finally got me, they shipped it from the US. I can't explain how I felt to have Jordans. You know, I was one of the few guys. I was part of the cool kids because I had Jordans. That's exactly what association does. But there are 4 ways you can do association. You can use concept and a person. You can use a concept and a thing and a person, or a thing, person, and concept. It works in all 4 scenarios. Now, why is association important? Association equals to brand. Very simple, straight to the point. If you want to build a brand, build association. What do you want people to associate your brand with? Is it being professional? Then you have to find a way to make people see why your brand is professional. Do you want people to see your brand as cool? Okay, what are you going to associate yourself with that's going to make them cool? You want them to see you as super serious. What are you going to associate yourself with to make your brand look super serious? It's that simple. So now our equation becomes concept times person equals to brand, concept times thing equals to brand, thing times person equals to brand, then thing times person and concept is also equals to brand, because association is equals to brand. So if you substitute it in this equation, brand is equals to everything association was equals to. So brand is basically association. So if you want to build a strong brand, you need a strong association. What and who do you want your business to be associated with? It's that simple. What? Nike had the Just Do It tagline, and that has propelled their business to crazy levels. Because I don't know about you, but anytime I'm about to do something, or I'm contemplating, or I'm procrastinating, sometimes I just tell myself, just do it. Or because I'm wearing my Nike sweatshirt, which I'm actually wearing right now, I just tell myself, bro, just do this thing. Just do it. I tell myself, just do it. It has transcended being just a tagline. To me, it's become a way of life. That's what association does. And I've associated taking action with Nike. Apart from the fact that I love them because they collaborate with some of my favorite people, Cristiano Ronaldo, LeBron James, two of my favorite athletes, plus Travis Scott. He's a rapper. I do love rap music. So they've associated themselves with things I love. Apart from that fact, they've also associated themselves with taking action. Just do it. And they've used celebrity figures who are also known for taking action in their respective fields. So it's not a sports. When I'm buying Nike, I'm not saying, oh, I'm buying sports shoes. No. I am taking action to create a future that I want, to pursue a dream that I want. So that's exactly the same way you want people to feel about your business. So I'll end this by saying, what and who do you want your business to be associated with? That is how you build a billion-dollar industry like Nike. You need to first figure out what you want to be associated with and who you want to be associated with, because association builds brands, and brands build empires. And empires, that's how you get the billions, the millions of dollars for your business. So thank you very much. This is the end of this video. If you found this useful, please subscribe, drop a like, drop a comment. Let me know what you think. I want to talk with you. I want to know where you are in your business right now. And if you would like to build a content empire, you want to scale with content, you want to grow your business online, the description, you can book a consultation. It's a free discussion call. We would like to talk about where you are and where you want to go, this empire you want to build. We believe in building empires here at KA Digital, and we would love to help you build your own empire. So book a discussion call down below. The link is down below. Just book a call. So if you don't do that, subscribe. I'm going to be posting more free valuable content for entrepreneurs and business coaches like you. Thank you if you made it all the way to the end of the video. We hope to see you more on this channel, and have a nice day. Peace. Remember, keep learning, keep growing.